Hi, scientist! Today, we're not at the science studio. We're at my doctor's office. I was just getting a checkup to make sure all the parts inside my body are working correctly. I'm inspired to make a piece of art about how our insides work. But how can we explore what's inside our bodies? What's that, Mia? Oh, look! There are pictures of different parts of the body here on the screen. Let's take a look and see what we can discover. Let's start with this picture. I recognize this. It's a skeleton. The skeleton is made up of all of the bones in our bodies. Do you notice how the skeleton is inside all of our body parts? Arms, legs, head, even our fingers and toes? The bones give our body its shape and help protect other body parts inside of us. I can use popsicle sticks to represent the strong, hard bones of the skeleton in my artwork. But, like popsicle sticks, bones don't move on their own. They need something to help them. What could that be? These are muscles. Muscles help us move all of our body parts. If I wanted to move my arm, the muscles inside my arm would tighten to help my arm lift and lower. I think I'll use rubber bands to represent muscles in my artwork. The way they stretch out and move back into place reminds me of how muscles help us move. There must be more parts inside of our bodies, right? Like, I know the food I eat goes into my stomach, but it doesn't seem like a bone or a muscle. What type of body part do you think the stomach might be? Oh, look! The stomach is an organ. Organs are parts of our bodies that all have different jobs that help keep us alive and healthy. So the stomach's job is to hold and break down our food. Let's look at some other organs and the jobs they have. How about this one that's located inside of our heads? That's right! It's the brain. The brain is like our control center. It helps us think, feel, and move. For example, when we touch something hot, the brain quickly sends a signal to our hand to pull away. This reaction helps keep us safe. Next, we have the lungs. The lungs are inside of our chest, and their job is to help us breathe. Place your hands on your chest and belly and take a deep breath. Do you feel your body rising? Now exhale or let your breath go. You might feel your chest and belly falling. Those movements are your lungs filling up and releasing air. One more organ we have is the heart. The heart lives inside the chest and pumps blood throughout our bodies. Like your lungs, you might be able to feel your heart working. Place your fingers on the side of your neck or on your wrist. Stay still and feel for your heartbeat or pulse. You can pause the video if you need a moment to find it. Did you feel it? That pulse is the heart pumping blood. Blood might seem a little scary, but it's an important thing to have. It moves nutrients and other things we need to keep us healthy through our bodies. Blood also cleans out the bad things like germs. That's why you see your blood when you get a cut or scrape. It cleans your injuries. Maybe I can make clay sculptures to represent each of the organs, since they all are different and have special jobs. And I can use red yarn to show the blood traveling all around the body. All right, I'm off to the science studio to bring this artwork to life. You can make your own artwork about what's inside of the body in your science sketchbook. Thanks for helping me today, scientist. Until next time, keep creating, and I'll see you in the science studio.
Hey, hey.